Okay, so I've finished doing the splicing, and this is what it's ended up looking like. As on the wiring diagram, all the negatives could all go together, so I've kind of plaited them together, and they all go to the black wire that was on the connector from the harness. So that's all in. The red, this guy here, connected to the orange that was coming in. So that's that guy there. And then its output, this switch's output, which was the green from that one, it needs connected to the red on that one, as well as the white that was coming in from the harness. So I plaited and twisted those two together. That's this red and green here. And they go to the white that was on the harness, as you can see there. And then the output of the high-low switch, which is the green on its own, that went to the red, or the white with red. So I've used white and red heat shrink on that just to make it a bit easier for anyone that comes along later. Now the only two connections left to make are the blue, which provide the light, the background light in these that connects into your dash. So that won't go down this harness, they'll go somewhere else in the car. So we'll do that in another video. So that guy there. So we'll get to that. So chances are after this I'll put a bit of heat shrink over here just to seal that off a bit nicer. Yeah, and then we're good to go.